staying at the Premier Inn Luton Airport. Here's the family. Say hello, everyone. Hello. It's very hot today, but fortunately they do have air conditioning. You'll see in the corner, which is pretty good. Who's there? We're staying in a family room. So I'll just give you a quick show around. So this is the bathroom. Has one of those head shower things, and then a smaller one. Fairly reasonable. Probably have a good. Actually, show you the map. There we go. Just the one sink, toilet obviously, and plenty of space to put your things. Tea, coffee making facilities. This thing for checking yourself at 4 o'clock in the morning, which is what we're going to be doing. Hello, it's me. Hairdryer, very important. And yeah, places to hang up. What else we got? Towels, kettle. And because this is a family room, they've made up one single bed there, which is fairly decent. Another single bed there with the birthday girl. Hello. And then there's a little table thing in the corner. And there's Sarah, who's on our bed. That's probably about it. One thing I would say, which is quite useful, is there's absolutely loads of plugs. And some of them, probably all of them, I've not checked them all, they've got like USB-A, I think, you know, the big USB. And yeah, telly on the wall. And that's pretty much it. The view's not amazing. We're in room 101.
Can you see planes landing?
Yeah, you can see the plane.
Yeah, apparently you can see.
I saw a DHL.
So our view, not amazing, but up there you are on the flight path, so you do see the planes as they go past. And these guys are relaxing now. We're going to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I know.
We've got an alarm set on my iPad, my phone, Lola's iPad, Mummy's phone and iPad, your phone, and your Chromebook.
Yes, we've got alarm set up on pretty much everything we can put an alarm on. So I'll be waking up at 3 o'clock, and we'll be leaving here around about 4. Flight's at 7, so all being well, we'll take you along with us and obviously show you the airport. And on the way to Tenerife, travel day. And that's the Premier Inn Luton. It's nice, got a beefeater next door. Had a few beers, there's a McDonald's down the road, we had dinner. And now we're just going to chill and go to bed nice and early. Everybody's going to sleep, aren't you guys?
Yeah.
Going to sleep? Everybody give me a thumbs up for sleeping.
I am quite tired actually.
Oh, she's tired. Sarah, are you going to sleep?
I'll try my best.
She's going to try her best. Alright, so... You what? Yeah, absolutely. I'll sleep. So that's us. So we're gonna vlog the travel day tomorrow. But this is just a bit of a tour of the Premier Inn in Luton Airport. It's a Premier Inn, you know. It's not 5-star or anything. It will do, but it's up to a decent standard. All right. I hope you enjoy your stay if you come here. Bye.